Howdy folks, today we have another aftermarket product for you. This is some decals from Claymore Models, I think that's how you pronounce that. They're printed by Caracal, so you know they're going to be good decals, they're going to be no problem. I believe Caracal is the best in the world, in my opinion. So this is for the CV-22 Osprey and the MV-22 Osprey. You get several marking options, some dark grey ones, light grey ones, and a Japanese Osprey. It's for 1/48 scale. Like I say, the only Osprey in 1/48 that I know of is a Italeri's version. So let's check this out. These are copyright, and I presume they were made last year, 2019, according to this bit at the bottom, but we shall check it out. You got a piece of paper which should be inside, which should be all your markings, and it tells you basically the colours as well you need to acquire for painting your aircraft, and your decals on the other side. So let's take a look at what we get. Technically, I don't know if you want to class this as a kit or not, like a but you get several decal sheets. Actually, that one's not a decal sheet from this. That's something else. Ignore that one. So your first decal sheet, nicely printed, is a couple of stencil datas. I think these pieces that go around windows and stuff and doors. You got your American symbols. I'm not sure what these stripes are for. They're probably markings on top of wings and stuff. Serial numbers, danger, jet exhaust, and intakes areas and stuff. The writing is really clean and crisp. It's not like some decals that you see out there that are just like mixed up blur, but these, as I say, by Caracal, best in the world in my opinion. So nice and crisp and clean. And the carrier film, I don't know if you can see that, is really close, even down to these ones around the windows or doors or whatever. Sometimes you'd find with manufacturers they would fill this in with carrier film, but this is right up against your head, so maintaining that shape can be a little bit tricky, line them up. Here's your main decal sheet, which has this giant symbol for the upper tail fins. This is the one I'll be doing on my Osprey. So a nice flying lion type symbol. I'm 100% not sure what you call that. Is it a phoenix? No, a phoenix is a bird, isn't it? I don't know. Anyone knows what the actual, I don't know, flying lion is? What type of creature that is? Comment down below. US flag, which is a nice touch. I'm not sure who that is. Must be some form of famous pilot of some sort. Several serial numbers. Marines. You got a Japanese symbol. I don't know what that means. You got United States Air Force serial numbers. Again, you've got the jet exhaust triangles and stuff. American symbols in grey, dark blue, and light blue. So several options. You've got Japanese symbols. So yeah, a nice set of decals. Again, carrier film is filled in these circles, but they're not a problem. But again, it should go down nicely. I have mentioned in my Osprey video, I don't know if you've watched that yet or not, but when it comes to do your tail fin, it actually doesn't say in instructions clearly. The inside of the fin is black, the outside needs to be white, because if you don't do it white, or you do it whatever colour you have on the outside, the line's going to appear. So if you have the outside blue, the line will be blue underneath, or if you did it yellow or black or green or whatever colours on the outside, underneath will be the line. On the real footage, or I've got, and not footage, but a picture, if you take a check this out now. The line is actually white, so you need to paint the outside white, put this decal on, and then the line should appear white, because the actual line is clear, the same colour as the backing, so you need to paint it white. But other than that small issue that is in instructions, it's pretty good. So we have this piece of instructions is stencil data. Not many, it's like those arrows and stuff. And you've got the ups, the top, the bird's eye view of the Osprey. So you've got A and B version in grey. It tells you the colours, light grey and a lighter grey. Propellers are generally just black with a silver strip down the side, leading edge, and a couple of decals there. And this is your main decal sheet. So you have this Osprey at the top, option 1, CV-22 Osprey 050065 from the 7th SOS United States Air Force, using dark grey. You have the second version, VC-22 Osprey 050029 from the 71st SOS United States Air Force. We have this light grey version which has the American flag on it, which is the MV-22 Osprey from United States Marine Corps. Like I mentioned about the tail fins, on the inside they're asking you for the colours, which is the one I'm doing, which is A on the other page. It doesn't state on the outside. Like I mentioned, you need to paint it white so the lion appears white underneath. You have this Osprey from the United States Marine Corps with the red tail, not too bad. And the one at the top is the one I'm doing, MV-22 Osprey, serial number 168241, VMX1, United States Marine Corps. So this is the one I'm doing with the lion. And you have a Japanese one, which is pretty cool. This is a MV-2 Osprey from Japanese Ground Self-Defense Force. So pretty cool decals in my opinion. So there's your manual, stencil data sheet. Another quick look at the decals again. So it's pretty good. So there you go, folks. A set of decals from Claim Models by Caracal, printed. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.